Stop you right there.
Right there.
I'm in.
I'm in.
Yeah,
I need
friends. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this episode. We have the Justice League. And what can I say about this movie? Give me your opinions on this movie. There's a good and a bad about it. The reviews are all over the place. Personally, for me, could have been better. But anyways, this is not the reason we're here for movie reviews. That's not it. At Shape Your English, we're going to be learning English from this movie, The Justice League. Anyway, anywho, let's get into it. And before we start, hit that like button.
He's trying to fan the flames of war with the surface. He lies.
Fan the flames of war. Fan the flames. He fanned the flames. I fanned the flames. Let me give you the definition first and foremost. Fan the flames means to make a situation that is already bad, to make it worse. An unpleasant situation, a bad situation, much unpleasanter or worse. So, I'll give you an example. My girlfriend is already mad at me. She's mad at me for who knows what reason. I suddenly come home and I suddenly break her phone. I've just fanned the flames of the devil.
I hate you!
She's going to kill me now. I've just fanned the flames. Why do you say fan the flames?
I hate you.
Where does this come from? So, you know when you're barbecuing, right? You fan it, so the fire rises up more, right? You're fanning it and it comes out. You're fanning the flames. It's already burning, but you're fanning it. You're making the fire come out more. And that's what happens when you piss off your girlfriend more than she already is pissed off about.
They're a primitive species, unevolved and at war with one another.
This primitive planet. Primitive means something which is of low class or low quality, something which is not of importance, not that of significant importance. For example, there could be a society out there which they do not have many things going for them, no laws, no nothing, and they're primitive human beings. And that's it for today's episode, The Justice League. Do me a favor and comment down below who your favorite Justice League is. Mine personally is, without any shred of a doubt, Superman. I would say Superman in the Justice League, but as a whole in the DC universe, I would say Batman.
Yeah. I'm Batman.
But in the Snyderverse, I'll go with Superman. I really liked his portrayal and everything. And yeah, thank you for coming. Check out this video. It's a Batman video, very amazing video, and I'm sure you'll love it. And see you on the next episode. Guys, I'm proud of you. Well done for finishing this video. Make sure to check out these two videos as well. You're going to love them. And thank you again. See you on the next one.